Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I hope you're doing well. Today we're unboxing another advent calendar, so it is going to be a spoiler video. So if you don't want to know what is inside this advent calendar, then please do not watch this video. I have got some other videos that you can watch. So today we're unboxing the NYX Sugar Trip advent calendar. This has 24 days and the packaging is just so beautiful. You see. This year they don't just have lipsticks. Last year I unboxed the Lippy Countdown and that's all they had, obviously, Lippy Countdown. This year they have lipsticks and eyeshadows and blushes and all that sort of good stuff, which I'm really excited about because I haven't actually tried any of NYX's other products except from their lipsticks and a couple of their brushes. So super excited to try some of the new ones. Well, not new, but new to me anyway. I got mine from Boots and I believe it was like £35, so it was really cheap. That's what it looks like on the back. This is all the description and all the ingredients in the products. Take a little trip through this sugar-coated dream world. You'll come across our makeup loving besties and uncover 24 sweet must-haves along the way. Just follow the map inside to find each treat. So that is the back. With this one last year, it wasn't hard to find the actual boxes because they go in order, which was kind of helpful, but then kind of like it misses the enjoyment of finding the box each time you try and look for the box, or each day, I guess, if you would normally do this every single day in December. So inside it looks like this. Again, it just follows the outside of the packaging. It's super cute. It's kind of like obviously a dream world. I'll bring it a little bit closer. So that's the first side of the calendar. Very colourful. And then that's the second side. Again, colourful. So like I said, it goes all along like 1 to 24 down here. So it is kind of helpful that way. So if you'd like to see what's in this advent calendar, then please just keep on watching. So obviously we're going to start off with day 1. And it's up here. Hopefully they're a bit easier to get into than last year's. I remember just tearing all the doors off because they were so hard. I am actually going to have to just pop it here because it'll be easier to get into. So for day 1 we have this Sprinkle Town highlighter. And this is in Poppin Rock. And this is the colour of the highlighter. Please excuse my nails. They are, again, so nasty looking. I will have to put more nail varnish on. I'm going out for my birthday meal today, so they will be done, hopefully, but they are looking a bit nasty, so sorry about that. It has a little bit of glitter in. It's not like chunky glitter. Here is the swatch of the highlighter. It's got like a purple like shine sheer to it. It's super pretty. It kind of reminds me of one of the Anastasia Dream highlighters. It's really creamy when you apply it. It's not patchy. So that was day 1. We have a lip product in day 2, and this is a soft matte metallic lip cream, and it's in NANTES. I think that's how you pronounce it. It does look like a really nice pink shade, a soft pink. That is the colour there. Oh my god, it's absolutely stunning. It's like pink, but it's got like soft peach in there as well, like a reflecting of soft peach, and gold. I think there's gold in there as well, so absolutely pretty. Definitely looking forward to using that shade. For day 3 we have another lip product, and this is a cream lipstick and it's in Starstruck. This is more of a reddy pink colour, and there is the swatch. It went on really nicely, really creamy, so I can't wait to use that. So in these little lipstick pots, I guess, you get 1.4 millilitres or 0.05 ounces. So not bad in an advent calendar. Day 4 we have another Sprinkle Town highlighter, and this one's in Cinnamon Spice. So I'm guessing it's going to be a much darker colour. Yeah. And this is a shade of Cinnamon Spice, exactly what I'd think it would be. It's a nice brown gold colour. And there is the highlighter. Obviously it will be too dark for me to put on, but I can obviously use it as a eyeshadow colour. It's not very sparkly. There's a little bit of gold shimmer in there, but it's not overpowering. In the highlighters we get 3.5 grams of product or 0.12 ounces. So again, not bad sizes. So that was day 4. We have another lip product for day 5, and this is one of the Intense Butter Glosses. And this one's in Sweet Nothing. We had a lot of these last year. I can't actually remember if we had one of these, if we had the same colour last year. Sorry about the bad swatch, but this is the colour. It's a really, really pretty colour. I don't normally use these kind of like soft purple shades. It's normally like a more darker purple, more plum-like. But again, super creamy, really nice shade. For day 6, we have a matte lipstick, and this one is in Fluff Piece. Okay, a very weird name, Fluff Piece. And here is the colour of Fluff Piece. It's a very, very vibrant pink. Definitely something that I wouldn't wear. But it'll be gifted to someone else that will wear it. But it is a nice shade and it is very smooth to apply. So on to day 7. So for day 7 we have a soft matte lip cream, and this is in the shade of Vienna. I'm pretty sure we got this one last year, and it's again another purple shade. I would probably wear this one. This one looks more like a colour that I would wear. Again, really, really nice, love it. Can't wait to try this one out. For day 8 we have Paradise Fluff, and it's another highlighter, and this one's in Candy Cloud. And this is a shade for Candy Cloud. This is more like the shade that I would go for normally. Let's give it a little swatch. Wow, yeah. I think you can just about see it. This one has a pink shine to it, whereas the first one had a purple. Really, really pretty. Definitely will be using this one. On to day 9. Wow, so this is a different kind of bottle. It's kind of like a foiled packaging. Really, really pretty. This is a lip oil. This is a lip oil. It says hashtag this is everything, and this is in Cranberry Mint. If it smelled like cranberry and mint, I would be in heaven, but I bet it doesn't. So it's just an oil, so it is clear, and it will just probably hydrate your lips. No, it doesn't smell like cranberry or mint. And this has 4.7 millilitres or 0.15 ounces. I just checked on some of the other lipsticks. I said on the, what is it called? I said on the cream lipstick it was 1.6 millilitres, which it is, which is different to any of the other lipsticks. Like the soft matte are the same as the oil. I don't know why there's different amounts in the products, but there are different amounts in there. So for day 10 we have this Lip Tease full colour of oil, and this is in Poppin, so it's a nice pink nude shade. And here is the colour. It's actually kind of like a peach shade, so it's not really, I guess it is a pinky peach shade. Again, so creamy, really, really nice colour. On to day 11. So for day 11 we have this butter gloss, and this is in Glazy Days. So it is a more brown shade, and it's kind of like a sheer brown because you can kind of see through it a little bit. So it is basically a gloss. Smells really nice. For day 12 we have this Land of Lollies blush, and this is in Lollipop Hop. Lollipop Pop. And this is a really nice pink shade, probably a little bit too bright for me. But let's just see how it swatches. Okay, so here is the swatch of the blush. It's very much lighter than it looks like in the pan, which I'm really happy about, as it did look terrifying to me because I don't really use blush, and this is really bright. But I will use this because it's a really nice colour. So I'm very surprised. We finally have an eyeshadow, and oh my god, look at that packaging. So this is the Sweet Château eyeshadow, and it's in Cookie Cutter. And here is what the eyeshadow looks like. We have like little sweeties on this side. Oh, it's so cute. And it's just a matte sort of like cream shade. It's not a white shade. It's like a creamy shade. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of like an ivory white. We get 2 grams or 0.07 ounces. So not bad. So for day 14 we have another Sweet Château eyeshadow, and it's got a different sort of packaging. I don't know if you can actually see that. It's like a train of like makeup with a crazy cat or some sort of animal driving it. And this is in Candy Stash. So this is the colour Candy Stash. I have put my nail in it. Just put my nail in it. It's a shimmery pink. Just going to do a swatch. And there is the pink shade, a very soft shimmer. Really, really pretty. I'm definitely going to be using this colour. For day 15 we have another lip oil, and this is in Candy Pop, and it's a nice purple foiled packaging. And again, it's just like clear oil gloss. For day 16 we have a matte lipstick, and this one is in SORBAE, and it looks very... Ooh, I don't know about this colour. It's a blue, and there it is. I probably won't be using this colour. It's kind of got a little bit of sheer in there as well, even though it says a matte, and we'll be gifting it to someone else. For day 17, yay, for day 17 we finally have a NYX lingerie. We had a lot of the NYX lingeries last year, and I was hoping we would get some more. So like I said, it's a NYX lingerie, and it's called Slip. So this is the shade, terrible swatch again, I'm sorry. It's a really nice colour actually. It's kind of like a brown, but it's got like a hint of purple in there. A really, really pretty colour. Definitely be using this shade. For day 18 we have another cream lipstick, and this is in Peanut Brittle. And here is the colour of Peanut Brittle. It's a very much burnt orange shade. It's a really nice shade actually. For day 19 we have this Whipped Wonderland eyeshadow, and it's in Sweet Tooth. So we have this beautiful brown shimmer shade. It's kind of like got gold reflex in there. I can't wait to swatch this. Yes, yes. So here is the shade. Oh my god, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm definitely going to be using these. They're just so handy as well to just take. I'm going to a friend's for like a week, so I might actually take these little ones with me. Really, really handy. Super pretty colour. Yeah, really happy with that. So we have another Whipped Wonderland eyeshadow for day 20, and this one's in Whipped Mocha. And it's a matte brown shade. They're so creamy. Here's the Whipped Mocha shade, just a standard matte brown colour, super creamy. I think of just like every single thing, super creamy, super creamy. It just really is. Really, really nice. So we only have 4 days left in this advent calendar. Aww. For day 21 we have this soft matte lip cream, and it's in KIEV. And here is the shade, so it's kind of like a soft grey black colour. More of the black shade actually. I think we did get something like this last year. I did gift it to someone else because I knew I wouldn't use it, and again I probably won't use it. Actually, it would be a really good lipstick for Halloween. Maybe I'll wear it for a Halloween video, don't know, but that is the colour for KIEV. For day 22 we have another lingerie, and this is in the shade Deep Rooted, and it's a brown shade. So here is the Deep Rooted shade. Again, it's very dark and I probably won't use it. I know my mum likes these kind of colours, so I probably will be gifting it to her. So now we're on to day 23. For day 23 we have this Licorice Lane eyeshadow, and this is in Twisted. And here is the colour. It's like a grey shimmer. And here is the colour Twisted, a really nice shimmery grey shade. Really, really nice colour. So now we're on to the last day. I'm really, really sad this is the last one. But let's have a little look and see what is in there. So for the last day we have Licorice Lane eyeshadow, and this is in Deep Trouble. In Deep Trouble is a dark purple matte shade. And here is In Deep Trouble. It's kind of like a deep purple going on to black shade. I would definitely use this for obviously eyeshadow. Like, how else would I use it? I would definitely use it for eyeshadow. And that is it for this advent calendar. I am loving these little boxes of highlighters, eyeshadow and a blush. I think they should do an advent calendar with just these instead of lips. I think maybe they should do two, you know, like do one for lips and like lip liners. Do they do lip liners? I don't know, but they should do that and then do another one for like eyeshadows so people can pick which one they like. But yeah, really, really amazing. I can't wait to try these all out. And obviously the lipsticks, they have more my shade, but the thing they didn't have was a really nice red. They didn't, did they? They didn't have like a really nice like Christmas red, which they did have last year. I think they had a lipstick form and a kind of like deep red in one of the like glosses. So I'm really, really happy with this advent calendar. I think it was worth the £35. It's got the stuff that it's got things in there that I haven't ever tried from NYX before. So yeah, super happy with this one. Sad it's over actually. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Come and follow me on my Instagram. Instagram will be somewhere on the screen. Thanks for watching guys. Until next time. Bye.